this is definitely one of the strongest seams you can sew. It's a flat fillet seam, and it's basically an overlapping seam that is sewn flat. Mark the wrong side of the fabrics. Place the wrong sides together. Mark 5/8 of an inch. Pin the two fabrics together and sew on the 5/8 of an inch mark. Now open the seam. You can use a seam roller if you want to. And then we're going to trim one of the two seam allowances to half its width. This is the short seam allowance, is the long one. Fold the longer one over the trimmed seam allowance. Press down. And then press this fold towards the fabric, hiding the raw edge of the long seam allowance. Secure this fold with some pins. And top stitch along the edge to sew this fold against the fabric. I'm using an edge joining foot or stitch in a ditch foot to sew accurately at 1/8 of an inch of the crease. So now your flat fillet seam is ready. This is the wrong side with the 2 stitches, but you can also use it as the right side. You can use matching thread like here, and this is the right side with just 1 row of stitches, and as you can see it here more clearly. But the raw edges are completely hidden, so you can use both sides as the right side.